I'm very excited that Forbes Border Post has been chosen as the first place for implementation of the single window system, and I look forward that we are going to have more efficiency and effectiveness at the border post through this system, I think.
Question. This new system that we are rolling out is called Single Window. It's basically a system that allows us to provide an automated platform to coordinate the activities and the functions and the clearance processes of all the border stakeholders, regulatory agencies that operate at the border post. The project was officially launched in June 2022 when it was officiated by the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Finance, where a speech was read on his behalf. The project is being implemented in phases. The first phase is looking at bringing on board 9 border regulatory agencies and stakeholders onto the system. The first phase is a 3-year project. So we have just gone over 1 year into the project, and at this point in time we are now launching the pilot project which we identified Forbes to host. So we are implementing by bringing on board the stakeholder Port Health, whose current processes are all being done manually. So through the single window platform that we have developed, which is an internationally recognized system, we will be providing an automated platform for Port Health to undertake its border process clearances at Forbes Border Post. We chose Forbes basically because we needed a border post that does undertake a number of transactions, a decent number of transactions, and Forbes is one of our busiest border posts. Of course, our busiest border post is Beitbridge, but we thought if we launch in Forbes, it will be easier for us to have a controlled environment so that we ensure we have a very efficient and effective implementation at this first stage. Well, the changes we should expect, the clearing public, the trading public should expect, is that instead of going door to door from agency to agency, looking for their service to get an import license, to get a permit, to get the clearance process done, we are going to provide an automated platform where from the comfort of their offices, from the comfort of their homes, as long as they've got access to internet, they will be able, through our internet-based platform, they will be able to make their application online. The application will then go to all the concerned stakeholders who have an interest in that particular product. And the client will receive a single automated response from all the agencies at once to indicate that your clearance has been done. You can proceed to have your consignment moved through the border post. So it's providing an internet-based platform for our trading public to interact cross-border trade. This will definitely increase the turnaround time, decrease the turnaround time of clearances at our ports of entry. Zimra currently uses a pre-clearance based system. So now, by use of this platform, we are going to ensure that when trucks arrive at the border post, all formalities are done across all the border stakeholders. So it will definitely reduce the waiting time of trucks at our border post. We are expecting to see a much more efficient and effective system being implemented. Well, the way the system is configured is, like I indicated, is that everybody who is concerned about a particular consignment will receive an immediate notification of the clearance of that consignment. We do have checks and balances within the system for us to monitor and see which agency has not yet dealt with it, which agency has dealt with it. And the clients will receive automated responses through email, through SMS, to tell them at which stage their clearance is. So the client will be kept abreast of the clearance process. All agencies will be in a position to monitor the progress of clearance of that consignment. And I think by just bringing in that kind of a monitoring mechanism, it will ensure that as clearances are done, they will be dealt with timelessly. Because everybody will have a transparent vision of where the clearance is, who is delaying the clearance, and nobody wants to be caught as the one who is delaying the clearance. So this is why we think that this system is definitely going to transform the manner in which we do business at the border post currently. Well, as we implement these various add-ons or modules, we always do engage our service providers to ensure that whatever service we're bringing on board, whatever automated platform we are bringing on board, the internet connectivity is able to handle it. So as we're implementing, our ICT teams have been discussing with the internet service providers. They have been ensuring that we do have adequate internet service at our border posts. But of course there will be instances where we may have challenges with regards to the internet connectivity. But these are issues that we need to then engage our internet service providers and ensure that they do provide adequate internet coverage.
And today is the day that we officially get on board and bring it live. This project has been implemented in a number of countries in Africa, in Asia, and Latin America. In Africa, we have Rwanda as one of the examples of countries that have really benefited from this single window system. Rwanda ranks among the best in Africa in terms of the ease of doing business. We expect these benefits to also come to Zimbabwe. In terms of the development of the system is a web-based system, and how we do it, we've partnered with Zimra for a long time with the custom system. We take the development team from Zimra locally here, and then we've also engaged them in the development of the system. So it is a product that has a very good input in terms of the local participation in customizing it to the local requirement, and we are very positive that this system will ensure that business, ease of doing business will be improved greatly. Thank you.